Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to create a user group manager using permissions that enable performing the actions selected for a specific role. To create any new security role, navigate to Users and select Roles and Permissions. Click on the New Role button and enter the role name, optionally an external ID that is used to synchronize user roles with other systems, and the description, which is an optional field as well. The first permission, which allows the user to log in, will always be automatically selected. Now find the section called Permission Groups. There are few combinations. If you select Permission 17, the Group Manager will be able to access the groups, but only after the admin assigns him as a manager to some group. '17 and 18 will allow the group manager to view all groups within the system, but again manage only ones that admin assigned to him. If you select 20 on top of them, a role will be able to access all groups in the application and manage any group. However, if you want your group manager to create groups as well, select number 19. Once you have selected the permissions, you can grant a new role and click the Create button. A newly created role will be assigned a role code, and in this way, you could grant this role to users uploaded through an Excel file. Moreover, you can set the group manager's access to predefined reports in this tab. In addition to default roles in the system, we can now see User Group Manager, a role we have just created. You can assign a newly created role to any user by navigating to the Information tab in the application form within a user's profile. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.